For manufacturers, success means delivering experience-oriented buying and selling engagements. To succeed in today's digital landscape, discrete manufacturers must allow their network of users to configure complex quotes and orders, eliminate costly order errors with a seamless guided buying and selling experience for direct sales, partners, and dealers, as well as customers, and provide advanced product visualizations, introduce data-driven promotions and discounting, and guide buyers toward an optimal solution based on their unique requirements. Let's take a look at how FPX CPQ enhances the e-commerce buying experience for our fictional company Zephyr. Here, a customer accesses specific features to configure a commercial air conditioning unit. With a symptom solver powered by FPX's rules engine, the customer is guided to the optimal solution based on prompts that match a product to the problem. With information provided by the buyer, Predictive Analytics intelligence recommends products based on data and buying trends. The user has access to specific product lines, pricing, and professional installation and services as they build out their order. Once a solution is identified, customers receive prompt answers to questions and are connected with sales or services to ensure their solution is delivered and implemented. With multiple paths to purchase, we'll next see how a dealer may engage with your e-commerce portal integrated with CPQ to configure a solution on behalf of a customer. Now let's take a look at how the seller can leverage FPX CPQ during a customer engagement. From your business's e-commerce site, the dealer gains access through a designated login. Once the dealer is logged in, dealer-specific product lines are presented. Predictive Analytics allows users to filter products to quickly and easily identify the right solution based on the user's specifications. Once a product is selected, a user can then configure in real time directly within the e-commerce platform. When incompatibilities arise, users are notified immediately. Throughout the configuration, a smart order number is assembled based on option selection. This specific order number is then referenceable throughout the order process. Users receive Y-resolution notifications explaining incompatible configurations. Users can then select alternative recommendations or opt to proceed with engineer to order. Throughout any phase of the configuration, users can take a virtual tour of the product lines with interactive models, delivering a valuable visual experience. Once all configurations are accepted, the order is flagged as complete. The user can then add to cart. In the cart, dealers can review pricing, quantity, as well as view the proposal. Complete with branding, pricing, and configuration details, users can easily distribute professional-looking proposals. The user can now submit the completed order and check out. With FPX CPQ, leading companies like Honeywell, Wayne Fueling, and Cummins have optimized buying and selling experiences to create tangible successes like increased average deal size, increased margin contribution, and increased customer loyalty and engagement. To learn more about FPX, visit us at fpx.com and contact us today.